on a viral video no naga about one guy like that. Nde ama security. Jideresi no onye organ harvester. No onye organ harvester. Then they show where the girl asking actually ime organ harvester. So that was the story. So because more and when I am at the forefront of making sure na emera arrest and they prosecute and they jidere ndeni ne onye ọwụla aka ade na iburu ụmụaka mmadụ iburu ndị mmadụ n'Imo State je wosha ha mkpụrụ obi wosha ha isi wosha ha anya, you know, because mụ awụ nọ nso kwara isi get awareness in Imo State. So I was much interested in that story. O nwere ike ịhụkwara the story, o nwere ike ịhụkwara the video, you know. So I started making calls, I started making frantic efforts to make sure that I get the guy. So luckily I went to the guy's house, onye ngugo ni Ikeduru. Ebe ono na treatment. I went there. When garuru there, I interviewed him. Then before then, akpola mo and the security. Ama security. Nde jidere that guy. Akpola ha. Henyem number the lady. But henyem number one year nwoke. I was demanding for the number of the lady. Henyem number 1 year nwoke. So muna 1 year nwoke ekwuole. As at yesterday. Muna the guy ekwuola. I said no ala ruo na abali yesterday. Ni aga akpom ka mụ na nwanne ya nwaanyị kwuo, you know, masi, okay, please don't forget, because it is very important that we conclude this investigation. Or the okay Ndi Igbo exactly. But that guy will have organ harvester, so that I confirm on our organ harvester then. But throughout yesterday till this morning, when that guy, he didn't pick my call. He didn't pick my call. And I don't want to believe, I don't want to preempt anything. I don't want to believe it was a setup. So that is why I want to carry out a thorough investigation. A thorough investigation. Because one, it is already raising questions of why would a suspected organ harvester, the security, come hand over to police, you know, and I go release ye. So I'm still packaging the story. I'm still packaging the investigation. I will bring up that guy here live. I will bring the guy here live. But I'm still waiting. Let me not assume and let me not presume and let me not conclude. But because the story will come here live. You can hold the video. You can hold just the picture of the video of the guy. Here when you say no, we are organ harvester. Then the lady kwa unuga hokwa the picture. I said the kwa me make the picture. Una holla the picture now. So we want to find out exactly whether this guy or organ harvester is yoke, because the story I know guys is a different package. You know, when investigation, the story mnoga was a different package, but I don't want to conclude yet ultimately from that lady. So I'm not from the lady. I have called the brother, pick the call. So I honestly wish he picks my call, and I honestly wish the security cooperates with me so that we can get to the root of this matter. We need to get to the root of this matter. So, but for now, the information gathered so far is about phone. The girl phone. It is not even something about organ harvesting. So the story of organ harvesting now came when the security parola, the guy chose organ harvesting abatasia. I go the girl only one chance, not your EGMere not your organ harvester, you know. So the story changed, you know. But when the girl got the boy akanuku na majeke. Also, no, we are only zulu phone, no recognize ya, no ya were phone, no recognize ya, no ya were phone. That was the story. Then when the YouTube as a check the boy, I will the boy fuel already come more. So one person I say, come again, this guy here, she require police. You know what? So in the YouTube, I will my gonna haul on Dama. About here basara age will phone, age who will phone usually die. As she said the girl according to the guy in the YouTube, I'm as he said the girl when no organ harvester. So from there, by then, this guy made transfer to Ndi to Amawam about 120,000 or 150,000 or so. You know, as I wait. So I was sick at the guy met the send around the youth amawom. You know, the girl like whatever phone the guy near the girl. I was annoying her. That's her happens here and I could have video no organ harvester. No one chance when you all like the quacky. I hand there youth amawom no neku. But at the end of the day, hey, whatever phone the guy because the girl should know when you wear a phone here. Hey, what is the phone the guy? Yes, the girl. The girl just flash here. What is the phone the guy? Lawa. So, like I said, I will not conclude yet. I will not conclude yet. But the full story and the full gist will come. Keep watching Nonsonkwa Ochiwo on Facebook. Nonsonkwa News Express. All the full gist, Gabia. So that let us see who is an organ harvester and who is not an organ harvester and who is accusing who. And let's see if there is a violation of human rights here. Thank you very much.